Just got your first car? Or finally upgraded to something newer? Congrats! But here's the thing. A lot of people ruin their cars fast just because they don't know basic maintenance. So today I'm giving you simple, smart car care tips for 2025. No mechanic jargon, no fluff, just real advice to keep your car running like it should. I know it sounds boring, but your owner's manual literally tells you when to change oil, what fuel to use, and what warning lights actually mean. Don't trust TikTok, trust your manufacturer. The wrong oil or fuel can kill your engine faster than you think. Modern cars are low maintenance, but they're not no maintenance. Oil change? Every 5,000 to 7,500 miles. Tire rotation? Every 6 months, brake check. Once a year. Transmission fluid? Coolant? Spark plugs? Set reminders. Pro tip, set these in your phone so you don't forget. Or use an app like Carfax Car Care to track it all. That little orange light? It's not just a suggestion. Check engine, size, get it scanned. Tire pressure, don't ignore it. Battery light? Charging issue, don't drive far. Modern cars are smart. If it gives you a warning, it's for a reason. Tires are your car's shoes. If they're worn, underinflated, or cracked, you're risking grip, fuel economy, and even blowouts. Check tire pressure monthly. Replace tires when they're below 3mm tread. Rotate them every oil change for even wear. Good tires equal better safety and better performance. It's not just about looking clean. Dirt, salt, and sun damage destroy paint and rust your car over time. Wash your car every 2 to 3 weeks, wax or ceramic coat every few months, vacuum and wipe the interior monthly. Take care of your car's body and it'll last way longer. You don't need to go to a dealership for everything, but you do need a mechanic you can trust. Ask friends, check reviews, and once you find someone solid, stick with them. They'll get to know your car, and you'll avoid getting ripped off. Once a month, just pop the hood. Check your oil level, coolant, brake fluid, and washer fluid. It takes 2 minutes, saves you thousands. Taking care of your car isn't hard, but it's easy to mess up if you ignore the basics. Follow these tips, and your car will run better, last longer, and save you money down the road. Are you a new car owner? What's the biggest thing you've learned so far? Drop your tips or questions in the comments. Like this if it helped you, subscribe if you want more car tips, buying guides, and honest content every week.